Hello everyone! Today we are going to identify few common errors in English and learn how to correct them. To err is human, and being human beings, we do mistakes. But most important is that we learn from our mistakes and never repeat our mistakes again. Oh, what did I say? I said repeat our mistakes again. Repeat again. Come on. Repeat means say over and over again. So when I'm saying repeat, I shouldn't say again. This is one of the common mistakes. First mistake, as because. It is a common mistake. Roma said, I could not attend the party as because I was not well. My dear friend, it should be either as or because. Because, as and because give the same meaning. So, it should be either Roma said, I could not attend the party as I was not well, or Roma said, I could not attend the party because I was not well. So, it is either as or because. Second, although but. Although it was raining, but the children played. No, we never use although and but in the same sentence. So it should be, although it was raining, the children played. Although it was a holiday, I went to the office. Although it was a lockdown, the vehicles plied. So we do not use although and but in the same sentence. Third, between two. Oh my God, that is really a common error. I have heard several times people say the meeting will start between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And trust me, I have seen the same sort of notice get printed also. So that is a major mistake. Between is always succeeded by and. So it should be the meeting will start between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. I would join you between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. So that is the right way of saying between and. Fourth, not only but. You are not only the one who does this error, but also the others. Oh wow, you are correct. The police interrogated not only the culprit, but also his family members. Yes, you are right. Not only is always succeeded by but also. But again, it is a common error when people say not only but. She is not only a dancer but a singer. She is not only a dancer but also a singer. Fifth, look forward for. Common error. I hear this in meetings, on calls, I read these on mails. I look forward for our association. Even many business associates say, I look forward for our association. My dear friend, it is not look forward for, it is look forward to our association. Even people mistakenly say, I look forward to meet you. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to hearing from you. So look forward to does not take a verb after that. It takes a noun. I look forward to what? I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to hearing from you. Look forward to. Oh, hi, we are back. So now I'm going to spot 3 errors in regards to redundancies. You remember when I started, I spotted repeat again? So that's what I'm going to repeat now. Repeat again. It is repeat. Repeat means say over and over again. So if you want to say repeat, you need not say again. Please repeat the line. Please repeat the lyrics. Ma'am, can you please repeat the sentence? Okay, so don't say repeat again. Now, reply back. Yeah, it is reply. Only reply. The word reply means answer back. So it should be I replied to your mail. I replied to your questions. So when you are saying reply, it means you are answering back. So reply back is a common error. Reply is correct. And now the last, and I love it the most. What do you mean? You love an error the most? Oh yes, I love it. I love it because I hear it a lot and I'm tired of hearing it. And it is returned back. Returned means came back. You need not say back when you say return. I returned back home from my office, my dear. It is I returned home from my office. Returned equals to came back. So say either came back or returned. I returned home from the show. After returning home from the show, I got tired. But I'm not. I'm still super excited to give you more such sessions. Join me on smartteachinghub.com and be smart learners. If you want to enroll with us, write to us at sthsupport@orionedutech.com or call up us at 7003 612 247. Bye.